Now, sticking with cars, this one's more immediate. This is the 2023 BMW i7. This is the EV version of the 7 Series, which of course is BMW's luxury vehicle. And there's a real thing that's you're going to buy this. Go up just a little bit. I just wanted to check one thing. 536 horsepower electric drivetrain. I think you'll be able to get the 7 Series without it being electric. Does it have to be electric? But anyway, whatever. The i7 specifically is the electric model. And you can view photos on this one. Oh, quickly, 300 miles of driving range per charge. And starting price $120,000. Very, very luxurious. Not a concept. Real car. Go ahead and view the photos, Will. So what's special about this one is the number of displays and the scale of them that you're going to be able to experience. It's got a very large back seat and a drop-down screen that I think we talked about in the past when it was just rumored. That comes from the roof or from the ceiling. Right. Folds down for passengers in the rear, have a real cinema experience, as you can see here.
Wow.
With a full recline. And then you control all elements of the screen from a controller, which is on the right-hand side where your hand sits. And you can have your legs fully extended as you watch your movie back there. Mm-hmm. Mo, you're not that impressed. It's because we just came from the concept. I mean, this is actually happening.
But this is real, so this is cool. This is really cool.
Well, it's not a concept, Mo.
Yeah, this is really cool.
This is happening.
Mm-hmm. There seems to be screens on the side doors too.
Those are used to control everything that happens on the display. Oh, so you'd be tapping away on that.
There's a nicer image of it. It looks like a phone, actually.
Are you seeing what I'm saying, Will?
Yeah, that looks like a movie theater.
Exactly. That's a good time right there.
With the ambient lighting.
Shout out, Patrick. Appreciate it. If cars are so expensive, shouldn't they be more modular? I mean, that'd be fun. Mm-hmm. I like modular anything. Mm-hmm. But unfortunately, with technology, it seems things are actually going the other way. They're becoming more integrated and more specific. And less human input. At least we get some customization options. What do you guys think about the look of it, though?
I like it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I mean, it's obviously it's a departure for BMW. It's a car company been around for a really long time.
Would you use that feature?
Well, here's the thing. A lot of people get driven in these cars too.
Right.
You call a black car or, I mean, when I was in Germany, I was not this car, but I was in 7 Series all the time.
Right.
Or Mercedes or whatever, and you have your driver, and they push the passenger seat all the way up, and you're reclining. That actual setup in the back, to and from the airport when I was in Berlin, it multiple times happened.
Yeah, so that's really nice.
So, and then I can control my whole entertainment without even talking to the driver. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So it is a specific person that would utilize that. But that is a customer for a company like BMW.
Yeah. No, definitely.
People will be driven in these cars, not just drive them themselves. Now, if you do want to drive it yourself, it's going to have autonomous features. It's going to be steering itself and all that stuff that you would want. And it's going to have a big entertainment display in the front too. It's a little skinnier, but it's long, and you can watch YouTube in the front as well, so the driver's not left out. But the real experience is in the back. In this car, you want to be in the back seat. You don't want to be in the front seat. Yeah. I mean, that's a road trip machine right there as well. Mm-hmm. It's 300 miles, 536 horsepower, movie theater in the back.
Lovely.
I mean, they can't compete with the concept car, Mo.
I know.
They're making it. You're buying right now.
Yeah. It's pretty amazing.
Shout out Hazard Security. Do y'all think these will come to reality? Well, the i7 is. It is. The other one, the Lincoln, they were pushing more into the future. What did they say on the Lincoln was the expected? They said 2026. So a lot has to happen between now and 2026, obviously. Mm-hmm. Something like that, I think, will happen. Absolutely. Mm-hmm. Not quite as extreme, but something like that's going to happen for sure.
Well, it's actually not too far off the BMW. There's like a lot of the luxury components already there.
It's more, I think, retractable steering wheels, seats that turn around the other way. Mm-hmm. What's happening in the front end is nutty.
But those seem like small enough leaps rather than making an EV.
You heard it here. You heard it here first. Mo said it's happening. He says that the Lincoln concept is going to be made.
I'm excited.
And Will Do's going to get his order in right now, just so he's ready to go.